Welcome to Express Crates Training Clip, Part 2, Disassembly. Using the Express Crates tool or any flathead screwdriver, place the tool in the groove on the clip, place your hand on the clip and lever off. Go. And now you're ready to remove your freight. Once your freight is out, remove the remaining sides. Place the sides on the pallet base. Place the clips in piles in the corner. And then put the top over the lot. And you're ready to go into storage. Your cubic meter is now down to 20%.